Hey guys, it's Kelvin here once again. Yeah, so today I'm just going to show you guys something simple. There's this song going, that's trending now. It's a popular song, right? It's an old song, but CalledOut Music actually did his own medley on it. Open the eyes of my Lord, right? That song, and I actually played it. I think some days back, and I played a simple lick there. I just feel like showing you guys. So what I played there is. Open the eyes of my right? Open the eyes of my so the progression is open the eyes of my love, then T. Open the eyes of my I want T or two, right? Then just continue from there. So what I actually played there is sorry. Right? So open the eyes of my open the eyes of my you see, so let's try it with the metronome and see. Right? Open the eyes of my eyes. Yeah, let's go again. 1, 2, 3, go. Open the eyes of my. See how it works, right? So let me just call out the note. So he actually played the song on the key of B. So don't get confused. This might be I actually tuned down my guitar one step down, right? So you can actually do that on your standard tuning, right? So this might be, right? So yeah. So what I played here is. Right, so like it's a normal pentatonic rundown. It's a pentatonic scale, right? Actually, just did a little permutation there. So sol la do re mi sol la ti. That's the first line, right? Sol la do re mi sol la ti. Right? Sol la do re mi sol la ti. So sol la do re mi sol la ti. Sol la do re mi sol la ti. We are done, right? So ti la sol mi. Then I slide it to my re do. Sorry. Let's. That's re do. So sol la do re mi sol la ti la, right? So mi then re do. That's the second part. Right then I ended with yes re mi re do. Then I slide my T, right? Which was la T. I slide it down so. You get it? Two. Let's slowly. 2, 3, go. 2, 3, go. 2, 3, faster, go. 2, 3, go. So let's try it now. Open the eyes of my. Open the eyes of my. You get it right? So let's try with the metronome now. Open the eyes of my. Open the eyes of my. So let's try playing this song. Let me try playing this song for you once more. Alright, so you just understand where to enter that part. So So just listen carefully. Now, this part, you get it right. So that is where you're actually using that lick. So just try it out. Try as much as possible to learn it very slow with a slower time signature or tempo. Right, is the fastest way for you to get it right and more better. Right, so just try it out very slow. Work with a metronome, very important. Work with a metronome. It's actually going to help you get it confidently. Right, so la do re mi so la ti la so mi re then where do I slide to my do then re mi then re do D. You get it? So open the eyes of my. So that is all for today. I'm going to see you guys in my next session. Thank you so much.
Hello guys, my name is Kelvin James. I'm a professional award-winning bass player with over 2 decades of playing actively and over 9 years of teaching consistently. I've taught over 1,000 students both online and offline, right? So I have experience. I did try. So if you're a beginner and you want to learn how to play the bass, you have no idea of what the bass guitar is all about and you want to start, I have a course compiled on Udemy. Right, it's very comprehensive and affordable. I'm sure you can afford it. And also, if you're an intermediate, you want to get advanced, right, in your play, I also like you to get the course. It's very affordable, like I said earlier, very affordable, right? The link is on my bio, and I also drop the link in the comment section. Please go get it. I'm sure you're not going to regret it. Also, if you want the private classes with me, send me a DM so we can talk actually, right? So it's actually different plan altogether, right? But I'm sure you can also afford it. I'm going to see you guys. Thank you.